Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I'm going to show you how to use Truffle with a local Edgeware EVM node. Before we get started, first you'll need a local Edgeware EVM node running in the background, and you also need Node.js. So you can go to nodejs.org and download the latest version. And you will also need Truffle. So you can go to trufflesuites.com, and a way to see if you have these already downloaded, you can type in node-v, and then you can also type in truffle-v. To install Truffle, you just copy that and put it into your terminal. I already have Truffle installed, so I'm not going to do that. So now I'm going to go to the Truffle documentation and copy this to clone the GitHub repository. Then you will want to go into the Truffle folder. So you can do that by copying this here, or just cd tutorial/truffle. Then type in yarn. Now I'm going to pull up a code editor to just show you around. So just click on the Truffle Config file, make sure everything's all good and kosher. This is what it should look like. These are the correct configurations for your local node. Then we'll hop into contracts. And here's our ERC20 token contract for hedge token. Then we'll head on over to the migrations folder. So this is the information that we're going to enter when we deploy our contract for the first time, namely the initial token supply. In this case, we're going to say 21 million. Next, you want to go to the terminal and put in npx truffle compile. All right, so the contract code is compiled into computer readable code. We're going to head back to the documentation to copy the next command. So we're going to put in npx truffle -- network development migrate. So now the contract is being deployed. And it was successful. All right, so that's how you use Truffle with your local Edgeware EVM node. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.